Hello, hello, hello. In this short video, I'm going to be talking about the energy of excitement. The energy of excitement. This is the point where you're in alignment, you're feeling blissful. It's like if somebody gives you such an amount of money, or actually if anybody just gives you a gift out of nowhere, there's that immediate feeling you're going to feel. It's like on your birthday, like the day before Christmas, or anything that is happening that gives you an excitement feeling. That's the excitement. Now there's the energy that comes from the back of it. For the past 6 or 7 weeks now, I've been testing out something. I'd get some information that makes me really happy and I'm meant to share it with somebody. I will hold on to that information within me. So it's like if I have such great news, something has happened to me and I want to tell somebody immediately, I calm down and I hold that space, that excitement, that feeling. Remember, feeling is the secret. That feeling. Because sometimes when you might have some really great news, someone tells you something and you have like fantastic news and you want to tell somebody else, then you go and tell somebody and they say something negative or like an underhand jab, something that like brings you down a notch. You've already dissipated that energy. You know, sometimes you have some really great news. You tell your wife, your girlfriend, your mother, your father, your mom, your dad, your dog, your cat. You just tell somebody and they make a facial comment like, yeah, okay, you're lucky, or good for you. They just throw off a statement. It's taking your great energy and poof, gone. So try this. Anytime you get some really good news, the next time you get some great news, don't tell anybody. Hold on to it. You're like, I gotta tell my wife. I gotta tell my husband. I gotta tell hold on to it a little bit longer. The longer, the better. And when you're holding on to it and you feel yourself consciously holding on to it, sit down, get out your dreams and reread them. In fact, at that point in time, write them, because you're in the gamma state, so you can be in a blissful state. There's energy in you of excitement. Just pause, write out a few statements, or even get a statement card that you've been reading and just like read it again. Like right now I'm going through it and I'm remembering, I'm bringing back to the memory what my excitement of energy, because I was told some information a few days ago. I've been keeping it in. I haven't told anybody. So the energy has just been building up. So now I'm like sharing with you guys. You're the first people hearing this energy of excitement that's coming out from me. Some of you can feel the energy. Some of you can feel that energy. So I just sit here and I'm reading my little card. If you have yours, give it a few seconds of looking at it, just touching it, you know, like thinking about it. Like, I'm very sure all of you have your dream sheets. Just keep that in front of you during that moment of time. You don't have to do too much. The law of attraction does the work. You just create what you need. And just think about, I can't wait to tell my business partner, I can't wait to tell my friends. Oh man, this is fantastic. I'm telling you guys first. Man, I'm just so thankful and grateful now that Did you feel that? That's the energy of excitement. Ask your friends, your accountability partners, your teachers, your mentors, your gurus, anybody you want to ask them about the energy of excitement. When Neville was explaining living in the end, the feeling, it's living in the end. How would you feel at the end? But live it now and you can create that feeling. Or you can do techniques to create that feeling. Like, you know, the body takes over when you smile. Like when you smile, My body's like, if I'm feeling really like out of sync and I force a smile, I force it. You can tell between a forced smile and a genuine smile. So can the body. So when the body sees a fake smile, it will react in an enthusiastic way. It takes some practice, trust me. It takes some practice. Try it. Force a smile the next time you're feeling under the weather. Force a smile the next time somebody insults you or throws an offhandish statement. Force a smile and you'll force yourself into it. You know that very powerful self-development statement? Act as if you're happy. Act as if you're excited. You'll soon become happy and excited. Let me take some notes on that one. That was a powerful one. Let me save that for my clients. I love you guys out there, man. I always like get to talk to you with you guys, share with you what I'm doing, what I'm practicing, what I'm experimenting on. And then I give it to my clients. Bingo, that's it. A lot of my clients don't have all the time to sit down and watching YouTube videos. I'm like, that's okay. Let me put together an implementation packet for you. That's what I do. I put together an implementation packet. That's like a little bag of self-development tools you need to create quantum leaps. That's another topic for another day. But that is an implementation package. Ask me about that. Got a bunch of PDFs in there and some links to some files that will blow your mind. But anyway, back to the energy of excitement. So that's what it is. The next time something happens to you, you get a discount on something, you get a coupon, you get money out of nowhere, someone buys you something, coffee or dinner, whatever. That energy, oh my God, thank you. That energy, remember, everything is energy vibrating at a different frequency. So you want that energy. You want to be able to hold it, harness it, and hold on to it as long as possible. That is the most important. Don't tell anybody yet. And when you're going to tell somebody, think in your mind, does that person really support me? Does that person really want me to do well? When you're thinking like that, that energy is there. And then decide who you want to share that information with. Share that energy because you're going to transfer that energy of excitement onto them. Remember that you're going to transfer that energy of excitement onto them because you have good news. So if the person that you're sharing it with is a little bit off, a little bit negative, unconsciously negative. There's people who are unconsciously negative. They're writing affirmations, but they're still unconsciously negative. That's a different story for a different topic for a different day. But anyway, you get back to that. Before you tell them, you want to make sure that you're ready. Because right from that point in time, that energy starts to dissipate. Try carrying on for like 24 hours to 2 or 3 days. You'll be amazed at your results. Because since you're vibrating so high with that energy of excitement, you attract situations, opportunities, circumstances, like-minded people. You're directed to the right person, to the right video that will align with you. Anybody watching this video, you're aligned in this frequency. I don't know what you're looking for. You're aligned right now. Take note of that. So, I don't want to make this a long video. Like I said, I gotta go. But think about it. Ask people, talk about it. Just start trying to use the energy of excitement. This is how you use the energy of excitement. All right? Let me go. Catch you later. And I love you guys. I really do.